Hey guys, it's me Mabani Kolusile, Forex Academy. I decided to make a short video on court report analysis that we previously had on gold, and then I will also do videos about other pairs, but for now I'll start with gold. And please subscribe to my channel and like what I share, and then comment if needed be, and also share with your friends or your families. Since I'll be making analysis on this page, my advice for you, it will be for you to do more of what works and less of what doesn't work. And if Forex is paying you guys, keep on repeating what you have been doing previously, and let loose of those that put negative impact on your trading. And then if something doesn't work for you, please abandon it. And then I will start with the 3rd of August 2021, the court release that was released. Remember, gold is paired with a dollar index, and then we will be taking on the reports and then applying them to our chart, and then see where the market is going. And then on the 3rd of August, the big banks, the market makers, were decreasing their longs from on. If you look on the 27th of July, they were having high, the highest of the high of the longs, which was 273,688, and then they decrease those longs, and then we received only 273,143, and then with the shorts they increased their shorts, and then as you can see the change in longs, it was from negative 3,000, and then they decreased another 545, and then from the change of shorts they also added more of a value of 2.508. and then as you can see by looking on the percentages, while the longs were increased in a percentage, and then also the short were increased, and as you can see the net positions were decreasing on a bearish, and then on the dollar they were increasing the longs and then decreasing the shorts. And then if we go to the chart, looking at the 3rd of August, and then that's what we will do. We're looking for the 3rd of August, July 27, 3rd of August, 2nd, the 3rd. Here are the 3rd. Let me do this. We have this date. Let me mark it so that you could see what I'm talking about. The 2nd, the 3rd. That August. Remember what I said. I said they were decreasing their shorts and increasing their long. They were decreasing their longs and then decreasing their shorts. So that's what we should look for here. They were decreasing their longs and then increasing their shorts. That's why we had this movement. And then my problem previous week, guys, I was expecting this sharp move previous week and I was completely wrong, because that movement have already surpassed. Then going to after the date, we had another report that was given on the 10th of August, and then we had the increase in longs and then more increase on shorts. Look at those. They have added 32,000, guys, of shorts. And then this move happened on here. That move happened there. And then what do we look for? The 10th. Let me put another one of the 10th. And then as we receive this report on this date, 10th, let me write here. I'll just put 10th because now we know it is of August, since I've placed August there. So I'll just put in the date, and then so the shorts were increased, and then come the week of 17th, they started to increase their longs and then decreased their shorts. And then look at that, they decreased their shorts and put more buys, and then they have added more longs on their positions, and then that's why we saw the market rising. And then it was on the 17th. Then on our chart we'll go to the 17th of August. 17th, that's what we had this report. That's the 17th of August. And then knowing that they have so many traps traders around the zones and around this area, they decided to increase the longs, and then by taking out more longs in their positions, they have added more longs. And then as we follow this analysis report for the previous week, the week of 24th, we had an increase in longs also, and then they didn't change any of their shorts, meaning they have not added any shorts or increased any shorts or decreased any shorts, but they kept on increasing the longs. And as you can look in their mid positions, the market is slightly starting to be bullish. And then as you can see, the longs are moving. On the percentage, we just had one drop from the 76 that we had. Now we have 75. And then with the shorts, we still have decreasing in the percentages. And then on the net positions, as you can see, starting to increase in bullish move. And then this was the week of 24th, and then that was previous week. And then let me identify the week of 24th, which is here, and then I will put it here as the week of 24th. And then we still have that bullish move. And then let me put in the 24th of August. So this was the only mistake that I was anticipating for the previous week, guys. Sometimes we forget to update the reports based on the chart, and then as I have went through my previous analysis and checked was not working for me. It is that I was selling gold, it was already sold. The market makers Nana put away Mbadidi Ochi sharp way at all. Look at the video fellow. Okay, sure. As these are the analysis, and then what I'll be expecting is, because we haven't seen any bearish move that has been happening on the market with gold. This is what I'll be expecting, guys. We have the swing low here, and then I'm expecting the market to target this liquidity around the zone. This is what I'll be looking for. And then if we have to buy this market, we have to look for a retracement back to this zone. As you can see, it's a resistance zone where the market has been reacting more around the zone. And remember, we have a swing low, and the first candle, second candle, and then the third candle. And when the market has to test the 50% of this candle on the, if you have done the OTE, if you have studied OTE, you will understand how to trade this buy on this candle. And then I will put in my Fibo from this zone to this area, and then I'll be expecting the market to test around the zone. And then I'll be looking for longs, and then if we had to trade this pair, I will use this area as my stop loss, and then this area as my entry point, and then this will be my last TP for this week, guys. And then since it's NFP week, we might see the market volatility starting from Wednesday starting to rise, and then I won't be giving you what might happen for this week on NFP, because I have to look into what the market is going to react like. And then I had already given a signal on the paid channel today, and then since the market is slow, I have decided to abandon this signal, and it was worth it. But since the market is slow today, I don't see them giving us those big movements, guys. This was the signal that I provided in the Genius signal channel, and I'm expecting the market to test the zones. But for the analysis that I have made, I'm looking for the market to test this area, which is the resistance line where the market has been reacting in most cases. And if you look into the previous move, you can see that the market respects that area most. As you can see, we have rejections around those zones, and then we have slight rejections around those zones. So I'll be expecting the market to drop and then rise to take out the liquidity around this zone. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Hope you enjoy gold this week, guys. Hi Papa Twe.